A Pikes Peak school district is seeing a huge drop in student enrollment, one of many across the state seeing that same problem. That also means, of course, a big loss in badly needed funding for those districts. KRDO News Channel 13's Jen Moynihan is live in our newsroom tonight to explain. Jen.
Yeah, Heather, District 11 in Colorado Springs ranks among the top 5 in the state and the highest in El Paso County, followed by Academy District 20 in terms of biggest declines in enrollment. But both say they found creative ways to help offset some of the financial strain.
Enrollment is our lifeblood. That's what provides the revenue stream for a school district.
D11 represents one of many school districts in Colorado experiencing a sharp drop in student enrollment due to the pandemic, according to new data from the State Department of Education. So far, they've lost over 2,000 students this year and $3 to $4 million in funding.
Now, that's this year. If we don't figure out a way to get those kids back next year, or at least a bunch of them, then we're going to be down again next year.
Academy District 20 experienced the next highest enrollment drop in the county, with a decrease of nearly 900 students and $3.8 million in funding.
We've never been down. This is a very first for us.
The biggest drop statewide came from younger grade levels, especially kindergarten.
We had far fewer kindergartners than we've had in years past. And we think that people thought, well, it's just kindergarten. We can take this year and maybe they can skip over kindergarten and just start in first grade, or maybe we'll start kindergarten a year later.
To help offset some of the financial losses, both districts say they've implemented several measures.
Good news is that when the pandemic hit back in March, we immediately implemented a spending freeze and a hiring freeze. And as a result of that, we saved a lot of money.
We're really lucky to have a very healthy reserve. So this year we were able to dip into our reserves to kind of compensate for some of that loss,
with the ultimate goal of preventing any disruptions to the classroom.
Our goal is always to keep any type of budget cut away from the classroom. We want to make sure that those budget cuts stay as far away from schools in the classroom as possible.
Only 2 school districts in the county reported increases in enrollment this year, Falcon and Hanover. In the newsroom, Jen Moynihan, KRDO News Channel 13.
2 fast-growing areas. Jen, thanks.